Good afternoon, students. Now we see the subject, the poetry, the topic, Ode to Autumn. Ode means address, to address the someone. Here the poet address the autumn season. Autumn means in Tamil the Ilayudir Kalam, the autumn season. Here the poet address the season of autumn. Now see the author introduction. Author John Keats. He was born in 31 October 1795. He was an English romantic poet. Romantic means here the explain about the nature, the rustic themes. The rustic means about the nature themes. The poem, the written the some famous words of which is to autumn is one written. The poem is written in 1819. The poems written in 1890. The poem gives the picture of autumn season. The poem the fully explain about the season of autumn. The poet died in the death in 23 February 1821 at the age of 25. The age of 25 he death in tuberculosis. The poem have three stanza. The first stanza as explained, autumn is the viewed as a season. Next second stanza, the personification of the autumn. Last stanza, the made to think with a melancholy. This is a short introduction about the author and the poem. Next, the first stanza. Through the poem, the speaker addressed the autumn. Here the poet, the speaker means here the poet. The poet addressed the autumn season. Here the season about the address, the welcome to the season. He note that autumn and the sun like a best friend. Here the Ilayudir Kalam, in Tamil Ilayudir Kalam, the season autumn. Here the sun and autumn season as a friends, the best friends. Here the poet explained. They are the most the apple trees growing around the cottage. Here the trees are the apples and most of trees, apple trees the growing around the cottage. The branches of apple trees being the weighted and down have the most weight in branches apples. So weight and down the ripe apples, ripe as the end of the stage, the harvest stage. The autumn season is full of buds, which is shortly become a flowers, being the honey. The season is fully the buds, which is shortly being the flowers, bearing the honeys. The bees flying around the flowers and suck the honeys. Bees that taking the honeys from the flowers. So the bees are flying around. This is first stanza. Next the second stanza, the poet the poet Keats describe the four scene which is anybody can see the autumn. Here the describe scenes which anybody can see the autumn. The granny, the floor where the harvest grain is Grannies, தானியங்கள், the floor where the harvest, the granny harvest means the அறுவடை பண்ணக்கூடிய the season, the grannies. The most of our hard works has already been done. Here the full of work is completed, hard work is already done. Next, the autumn can just take a nap of the field, just take a field, end of the field. Next, the watch making up cider press. Cider press means the end of the stage, the harvest, and taking to the another place, make a juice. Cider press means the make a juice. The already have a harvest stage of the apples, the bend of the branches also, taking harvest and the end of the field, and making what the cider press. Cider means making a juice, taking the place. Next, third stanza. Here the speaker note that the music of the spring is a distant memory. The spring is a season. The speaker is the distant, the memory, the distance. Next, the autumn music is cool. Autumn season is a cool. Here the speaker says this music include the image of cold. Cold means the cold, and harvest the field at the sunset. Harvest field and sunset, including the here the music include image. Here the something is the poet image of the cold, the megam, and the harvest field. Harvest field at the sunset. The genet flying around the rivers. The genet flying around the rivers, and the cricket, the singing. The cricket means the in Tamil the vetukli. Not here the playing cricket. Here the word cricket means the inside the vetukli, a singing. The birds are whistling. All of the sight and sound is producing. All the sound and sight is producing. This is a third stanza. Here the poem is full of address about the autumn season. Address here the welcome to the autumn season. The first as a welcome to the season, and out to the trees in the ripe stage. Next, the personification of the harvest, the field of the granny. Next, the third stanza, the speaker explain the music of the poem. The imagine, the poet imagine the cold and harvest field, the genet flying around the rivers, and the cricket singing, the birds whistling, all the sight is and the sound is producing. This is a explain state stanza. This is a poem, Ode to Autumn. Ode means address. They explain, give the ode means address the season to autumn, to explain the poem. This is Ode to Autumn poem. The poet they explain this poem. Okay, this is Ode to Autumn topic. Okay, thank you.